Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the Sephora Favorites Luxe box from November 2020. That sounds interesting? You want to see what's inside? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eyeliner and I'm so glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a little while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now this is the Sephora Favorites Luxe box, the Upgrades collection. I didn't know that they did these Luxe boxes, but apparently they do. They say it's a set that includes 6 covetable makeup, skincare, and hair care trial sizes from Sephora's top luxury brands. It was $25. They claim $116 value, so let's check it out. First of all, it's in this really nice box. It's got a little magnetic closure on it, which is nice. So this is a box that I will keep to do, I don't know, something with, or you could use it for gifting. But let's check out and see what's in it. There's a card in here. It says Luxury Achievement Unlocked. And on the back it does give you the products. It doesn't give you any pricing or anything, but does tell you the 6 products that are going to be included. And again, this is called the Upgrade Collection. So let's take a look. The first product is from MCGRATH Labs, and this is their Dark Star Volumizing Mascara. And this is the newer MCGRATH mascara, if I'm not mistaken. Full size in this would be 13 milliliters and retail for $30. Deluxe sample, this is 5 milliliters. That's pretty packaging. So this would have a value of $11.54. I'm a big fan of MCGRATH eyeshadows and some of the other products, as you may know. I haven't tried this mascara yet, so I'm really excited to have a sample of it. Again, $11.54 worth on a sample. I only paid $25 for the box, so, and actually, if you figure out a little less than that because I did get cash back through Rakuten. So a little less than 25, and I've already got $11.50 in my first product. I'm pretty happy so far. Next, from Marc Jacobs, this is the Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Blacker. These are available in 25 shades, not the minis, but the Highliner Gel Eye Crayons, and I've heard great things about them. I've actually ordered a couple, just haven't had a chance to use them. I may have used it once. This is, again, Blacker. It is black. Full size in this would be 0.5 grams, retail for $26. This is their mini, which they do sell mini in just certain shades. Might only be black, might be 1 or 2 other shades. So it's 0.37 grams and retails for $12. If you do the math there, full size is 0.5 and $26, and the mini is 0.37 and $12. I'm not quite sure how that works out, but I'm not unhappy to have it. And, you know, do we really need another black eyeliner? No, but I've heard great things about the Marc Jacobs eyeliners, and at least this is a mini, so it's not like I'm going to have, you know, 12 years worth of eyeliner. Next, from MER, and this is a brand that I'm just starting to really appreciate. Very high-end skincare, as you may know. This is the Moisturizing Soft Cream. This is available in 4 sizes at Sephora, from a 100 milliliter that retails for $510 to a 15 milliliter mini that retails for $95. This is a not for sale sample of 7 milliliters. So this little baby has a value of $44.33. It boggles the mind, but I have heard amazing things about the MER skincare, particularly for people who have skin issues. So the fact that we got a $44 sample in a $25 box, very excited about that. Next, from GOOP, we've got from Goop Beauty, the Goopglow 5% glycolic acid and fruit extracts overnight glow peel light. Now this is, you apply a pre-soaked pad evenly over the face, neck, chest, and shoulders, leave on overnight, and rinse off in the morning. It says, note, some tingling or itching may occur for up to 5 minutes after application. That's usually a hint and a half for me to take it off. That's just me. But apparently that's what's supposed to happen. These are sold in packs of 10 for $125 or packs of 4 for $45. So a single one, which is what we have here, would have a value of about $11.25. Yeah, I think I'm going to be passing this one on. Anything that warns you up front that, you know, your face may tingle and itch for 5 minutes. Yeah, my sensitive skin is not going to be happy with that. Speaking of sensitive skin, though, our next product is from SK-II. And this is R.N.A. Power Radical New Age Anti-Aging Face Cream. Those of you who saw my Macy's beauty box this month, this is the product I was supposed to get and I didn't, and I got, I think, their toner or micellar water or something it said. But this is the one I was supposed to have gotten. A full size of this would be 80 milliliters and retail for $235. This 15 milliliter sample then has a value of $44.06. So again, we've got a 40 some odd dollar sample. So $44 and change here, $44 and change here in a $25 box. So I'm just kind of blown away here. And then this one, I should know how to pronounce this and I don't. KERASTASE. Let me know down below if I did okay on that. This is Resistance Blow Dry Primer for Damaged Hair. That's certainly me. It is available in 2 sizes at retail, 150 milliliter, which goes for $37, and a 50 milliliter, which is $18. This is a 20 milliliter deluxe sample. It's got a value of $7.20. Hello, friends. It's time for today's giveaway. It's day 13 of 25 days. 13, how did that happen? Okay, as always, we start with a makeup bag and a face mask, and today we have from Honey Jarrett the Super Beauty Mask. And while you're doing masks, it kind of helps to be able to put your hair back. So this is from Daily Concepts, a Daily Beauty headband. And since we're talking about hair, let's go ahead and do some more hair stuff. We have a set of barrettes. I guess they're clips, they're not technical. I don't know, whatever. This is a brand I don't know how to pronounce, so I'm going to call it Way, and this is a hair oil. And from Moroccan Oil, this is the Moroccan Oil Treatment. From Rusk, we have the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. These are just little one-off packs. From Style Dry, this is a turban shower cap for those days you don't want to wash your hair. And let's get into some skincare. So first, from Elizabeth Arden, this is vitamin C, little ampule capsule thingies. You'll figure it out. From Ofra, we have the Makeup Fixer Spray. From Dr. Jart, I have Ceramidin Cream. From Espa, this is Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser. From Now Bay, Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream. From Jack Black, Double Duty Face Moisturizer. And from Frank Body, we have the Caffeinated Glow Mask. And now we can get into the makeup. This one's a little more makeup heavy than some of the other ones. So let's start with, we have a blush from Basic Beauty in the shade It's October 3rd. From Iconic London, we have Illuminator. From Scone, we have the Insanely Intense Tattooed Liner. From something I can't read because I can't see it well enough, it's a lip oil. We'll figure it out. And we have a nail polish from Static Nails in the shade Mood. And then we have a couple of lip products from Nature's Cartel. This lipstick, it's kind of cool packaging. And it is in the shade, the shade is Gin and Platonic. From Sol de Janeiro, we have a Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter in the shade Keep It Rio. And from Kat Von D, we have an Everlasting liquid lipstick in the shade Santa Sangre. And yes, it does say Kat Von D. This came in a subscription box, so it may have just been old packaging. Okay, from Fenty Beauty, we have a Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. And the shades on this are Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And moving on to eyeshadow, from Dose of Colors, we have Block Party Eyeshadow in the shade Slinky. From Violet Voss, this is the Coral Pop eyeshadow palette. From Ciate London, we have the Editor Palette New England. And from Give Them La La Beauty, this is the Pretty Palette. And because it wouldn't be a giveaway without brushes, we have a set of LUXE, the iconic eye set brushes. And now for the rules. They should sound pretty familiar except for the daily mystery word or phrase, which we'll get to in just a minute. So, you must have a US shipping address, must be age 18 or older, must be subscribed to my channel with your subscriptions public. Please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have them. My Instagram and Twitter information will be down in the description box, along with all the rules. Leave a comment that includes the word enter. And since today is National Cocoa Day, I bet you didn't know that, December 13th, National Cocoa Day, tell me how you like your hot chocolate. Me? Extra marshmallows, a little bit of peppermint. If it could be peppermint schnapps instead of peppermint syrup, even better. But the word enter and how you like your hot chocolate. This way I'll know that you watched the video and you want to be entered in the giveaway. If you do have Instagram or Twitter, please leave me your Instagram or Twitter name so I have a second way to contact you besides just responding to your comment here on YouTube. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter, you can leave me another way to get hold of you, such as an email address, if you feel comfortable, but you absolutely do not have to. Once I ship the box, I am no longer responsible for the box or its contents, but of course I will give the winner the tracking number once the box ships. This giveaway is not affiliated with or sponsored by YouTube or any of the brands included in the giveaway or in the overall video. All items in the giveaway were purchased with my own money or were received in subscription boxes, mystery boxes, things like that I purchased with my own money. There was nothing that was gifted, donated, or sponsored. I will leave this giveaway open until December 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern. The winner will have 48 hours to respond to me, or I will choose another winner. And now, let's get you back to your regularly scheduled video. So that's our 6 products we got in here. So again, we got the Blow Dry Primer, we got the SK2 Face Cream, the overnight peel from Goop that I'm still kind of a little leery of. We got the MER Moisturizing Soft Cream, the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner, and the MCGRATH Dark Star Mascara. They promised $116 value, and the total retail value by my calculations, $130.38. Keep an eye out for these boxes in the future because this one's a winner. Leave any comments down in the comments section. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.